Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix this site can be reached problem in GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, here we are just going to follow this article, and this one is discussing the website's errors. And basically, this site can't be reached, or the error, this error is uh, related to uh, connection problems. And basically, there are only some tips that you can try. Otherwise, it will be just some problem from the site parts or from GitHub parts, and you will be needing just wait for the problem to be solved by them. And basically, one of the things to do is to restart your connection. And basically, since it is uh, an internet connection related problem, you will be needing first to try restart your connection. Otherwise, you will need to disable your firewall or your antivirus. And also, in case you were using a VPN, try to disable a VPN so just so you can know if this is the problem. And basically disable your firewall and try so you can just know that the problem comes from firewall, and then you can try adding an exception for this website or whatever, and basically you can get to work with your website. Also, you can try to clear your browser cache and also flash your DNS cache. And basically we'll be needing to to go to your files, and this is how you flash your DNS. And basically you will be needing just to go where your DNS files are, and then you will be needing just to flush uh, the files. Or you can use some commands that would start flushing your DNS. And basically, also you can simply go to the GitHub status and see if the problem is from the GitHub service. So go to githubstatus.com, and from here you will find the status of all the operations or all the features of GitHub and see if there is some problem that is causing this. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.